Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. There's Rob. We're gonna fly the SST. Enjoy the show.
I was like, what the hell are you doing, man? There's nothing. All I see is you. This is going down fast.
Take it off, Rob. Go ahead.
We just gave my friend a drone.
Yeah.
So make sure he
Nose.
don't screw with it till adult.
Yes.
Goes over it with him, you or somebody.
I'll let Jerry go over it with him.
Well, he's trying, he said you need to read the instructions. So I don't,
That's fine.
yeah, at a later date.
He'll learn it here, so he already knows he can't fly RC planes at the house, so
Okay. No, I thought that was nice. Jerry just said here.
yeah.
So we would take it.
It's a good kid. He means well.
Yeah.
Oh, looks like that canopy's staying on pretty well, guys. I mean, I put some tape on it so you guys can see that it does pretty well. And I'm flying with a sport receiver. I don't have gyro on the plane. And you can see that it flies really, really nicely. And the wind is picking up, as you can hear on the there goes the choo-choo train, and that's the sugar train. Life a little harder. You're fighting it. What did he give you?
Ole Miss came back last night.
Coming in for a landing. I'm landing.
You give him something, then I buy it from him. There you go. Works out right. And let him play with it. That'll work.
Nice landing, Frank.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Putting it back together.
Well, guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out.